2023 Ford Ranger, old versus new comparison. After more than 10 years of production, Ford's most successful Ranger to date has been replaced with an all-new 2023 Ford Ranger model. These are some big boots to fill, both from a performance and sales point of view. Even right up to the end of its tenure, the Ford Ranger was able to stay right among the top of the segment in both regards. It begs the question, what's the difference between the new and old Ford Ranger, in a direct comparison? In this story, we're going to run you thought everything you need to know. How much does the new Ford Ranger cost in Australia? The next generation Ford Ranger is priced from $35,930 in its cheapest guise, and runs all the way up to $85,490 for the high-performance Ranger Raptor, before on-road costs. There are price rises of up to $2,240 for new generation models, with the $6,100 jump for the petrol-powered Ranger Raptor, over the old diesel Raptor, being an outlier. The waters get a little muddy because of the change in powertrain options, with only the 2.0-liter biturbo engine effectively being carried over from the previous generation model. However, because it's now positioned below the optional V6 powertrain, rather than being the most expensive choice, it isn't similarly positioned anymore. It's worth pointing out, however, that not all models have seen a price rise. A few have held steady over the generation change, including the high-volume XLT biturbo variant. The Ford Ranger platform. Ford did use the previous generation T6 platform, designed and engineered mostly in Australia, as a starting point for the new Ranger. While this might sound like cutting corners, it makes sense considering how successful the previous generation model was. And the difference between generations is a lot more than just a nip and tuck.